In this video, I will show you how to upload an artwork on JetPrint. First, log into your JetPrint account. On the left side of the screen, click on Design Library. Once you're in, click Upload Image. Make sure you already have your artwork file downloaded and ready to use. Just select it and click Open. Now, go back to the left side and click on Catalog. From here, choose any product you want your design to go on. Once you've picked one, click Design. On the left side of the design page, click My Library, and you will see the artwork you uploaded earlier. Select it and then adjust the size and placement until it fits perfectly on the product template. And that's how to upload an artwork on JetPrint.